Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and today's my Viva topic is life cycle of object in Java. So let's discuss about that. We should know about how objects are born, life of object and the die of the object. There are some steps involved in object creation. There are follows. First step of object creation is the creating of a class file on a disk. As you know, the Java program runs on the Java virtual machine where we compile the Java class. It is transferred into bytecode, which is a platform and machines independent. The compiled class are stored as the class file on a disk. The second step of creating an object is loading a class file into memory. After that, the Java runtime fills out the classes the disk on the disk that is into form of a class file. Java class loaders loads the class into memory and the Java runtime reads it into memory. The third step of creating an object is looking for a initialization static member class. Java looks new now Java looks for the initialization static member of the class, such as a static field and static blocks. You always remember that the static member of the class do not belong to any particular instance of a class. It belongs to the class itself and it is sharing all the objects and creating their objects. The fourth step of creating an object is a way to initialize a class in Java. Class can be initialized in two ways in Java. First, when you access a static field and static method of the class. For example, we run the main method in a class. A class is initialization because the main method is static, and the second way to when a object is instance of a class, creating using the new keyword. The class is initialized. The fifth step of creating an object is the allocation of memory for object and reference variable. In fifth step, Java allocating the memory on the heap for the object and a memory on the stack for the object of reference variable. The next step of sixth step of object creation is the calling of the constructor call class. After allocating the memory, JVM calls the constructor of the class, which is like the method but is called only once when the object is created. Thus the object are living it is providing the access to the field and the methods whenever want the need the access them. The seventh step of creating the object is removing of object and reference variable from memory. When the accessing the field and methods are completed, the object are referenced removed from the memory by the JVM. At this time, object are die. It's all about the object created in Java. Thank you so much.